Hey, good to see you again. Can you guess by the fact that I'm wearing the same shirt that I've been doing this all afternoon? It's true. It's worth it. I hope these videos are helping you. If you have suggestions, please let me know before or after class on the floor or shoot me a message. In this video, we're looking at dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis a third time in proteins, and you're going to see a definite pattern in how this video goes. Short and sweet, we build proteins out of amino acids, and we break down proteins into amino acids. Guess what? By adding or removing water. Told you, pretty sweet. Dehydration synthesis, monomer is just a fancy word for one thing. It's one simple unit. So we use dehydration synthesis when we start with monomer 1, monomer 2. They have this fancy little OH thing going on. If you're curious, it's called hydroxyl unit. And we can use this to combine this OH and that H to make H2O. And then we have a monomer linked by a covalent bond. If you had chemistry, you remember what covalent bond means. Otherwise, it's a stable bond that we use a lot in organic chemistry. And we don't need to worry too much about the actual how this works because it's a little bit of an involved process. But for us, it's enough to say, hey, we remove water, we dehydrate the two molecules in order to synthesize something bigger. Let me turn that off. There we go. All right, let's look at the flip side of that. If we talk about hydrolysis, let me get out of the way. Block that so we're not confused. Now we start with two monomers or polymer, many mers, many units linked together. And in hydrolysis, we add the water in order to break it into two different monomers. Again, same thing. Here's our water. We have an OH and an H here, and we split this oxygen bond that's linking the two monomers together. Same patterns you saw before. All right. That is it for this topic. Once we understand that dehydration synthesis means to remove a water in order to build something, synthesis, and hydrolysis, we add water to break it apart. Lysis means to split. As always, if you have questions, you know where to find me. I'd be more than glad to help. And I will see you guys in the next video or next class, and I hope you're having a fantastic, lovely day.